Oh, I wonder what's in here. Oh, it stinks in here. I'm getting out of here. Hey guys, this is tutorial number 8, I believe it is, and I just had to start off with that little intro because just to be less, make the video less dull because this stuff can get a little bit boring, I must admit, but we'll get through it. We'll get through it. Just keep watching the videos. By the end of this, you'll be thanking me, and yeah, just stick with it. So in this tutorial we're going to be spicing up our text a bit, and normally to spice up our text we usually do use CSS, but there is some basic stuff in HTML that can be useful at times. Otherwise, for the most part, you will use CSS, but this stuff can be really useful as well. So I'm just going to start off, get rid of this stuff we did in the last tutorial, because we already know that stuff. We don't need that stuff anymore. Oh, we do, but we already know, we already learned it. Um, so the first thing we're going to do is make this text bold, and I may have showed you guys this before, but I'm not sure. It's a refresher if I have. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that there. Uh, Go and close the bold tag, and all you do is a B for the bold tag. That's how easy it is. B for bold. You can put it in, doesn't really matter whether you put it on this side or this side of the paragraph tag. It doesn't matter. It will make the whole paragraph bold, or just so the text, it's before and after the text that you want to make bold. And we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that, and we're going to make, I didn't quite copy this over. And we're going to make the second paragraph italics. And I'm gonna first we gotta make sure that we change the closing tag, because otherwise it'll screw this all up if we have a bold closing tag and there's no bold tag to start with, and the italics will run through all the rest of the code that we put below this. Um, I'm gonna change this real quick to this is bold, and we're gonna change this to this is italics. So we got those two things. Let's go ahead and look at them in our browser, see what it looks like. And as you can see, we have our bold text, our italics text. It was so easy as that. Bold, B for bold, I for italics. That's how easy it is. And let's go ahead and do another thing here. We'll add, usually this part, especially bold and italics are commonly used in HTML, but stuff like this tag here, which is big, which will make our text bigger, this is usually not done in HTML because we use CSS to style our text as far as its size and font and all that. But you can use this as well if you feel like it. We'll change this to this is bigger. Save it. I almost hit new there. And as you can see, this text is bigger than these two. Of course, it's not bigger than the header tag because yeah, you know about that. And what in the world? I did not mean to open up that. Close that a sec. Alright, so last and final thing we're going to do is called subscript and superscript. And I already have this thing copied and I pasted it on here. So basically what this is going to do, it's going to make it look like this. Let me refresh. This is subscript, this is superscript. The subscript goes down below, superscript is up top. Now this can be very useful if you have like some random math equation on your website, and you could use a superscript and make that a exponent like 4 or whatever number, and subscript of course for like cube and square and blah blah blah. So that's one thing that can be useful for, and the way you do that is sub for subscript. So between the text that you want to be a subscript, you put the sub and then the sub closing tag, and then between the text you want to be around the text, I should say, not between it, you want sup for superscript. So those are too easy to remember because sub and sup both go into the word, and yeah, that's how you make subscript and superscript. And again, it looks like this. So thanks for watching this text splicing up tutorial thingy here. Stay tuned for the next video. I shouldn't say stay tuned. It'll be up. I don't know why I say that. Just ignore it and go to the next tutorial. You can. You're still listening to me talking. Just click on the next. Just go next. Oh wait, I'll just shut up now.